ఏంది మట్టి సెల్సీడ్ ఇక్కడ కదా కొంచెం పైకి ఉంది కదా కింద
May the soul live in peace.
We need to actually cherish and use so as to get connected always and be connected always. One of the things మనం ఏమనుకున్నా అంటే కొంతమంది చనిపోయిన వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీస్కి మనం సపోర్ట్ చేయాలి. I think we should come and see what we could do for them. So పొద్దున వెంకటేష్ వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ వచ్చారు. I think Kumar is also trying to help them. మన అందరం ఏదో whatever we contribute we should do and support the family. So that's one of the things. And I mean, I think there are few people who really worked hard, and all of us did contribute, and thanks to all of them. So, and Kontumandi they're in the US, and they're still actually very anxiously waiting for the program to get started. So, the idea is we'll probably break for about 20 minutes or half an hour. Half an hour. We'll break for half an hour and see what's 5:30. 6 o'clock. Introduce ourselves and then of course we can spend time. Anything else that we need to accomplish in this one day? అక్కడ చేద్దాం పర్సనల్ యాక్షన్ వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉంటారు కదా.
అరే తప్పేదిరా వేరే వాళ్ళకి కట్టుడే
ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉంటే లేదా కథం ప్రోగ్రామ్
వాడు చిన్నప్పుడు వాడు అలవాటు రాదు అక్కడే పోయింది
వాడు అక్కడ ఇంకేమైనా 4 బొమ్మలు దొరుకుతాయని వాడు చూస్తాడు.
నా తృప్తి గురించి అక్కడ కట్టాలి రా డిస్కషన్ జరిగింది. ఎందుకురా చూసా ఏమైందిరా ఫుల్ డిస్కషన్ బ్యానర్ ఎట్లుండాలి, ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఉండాలి, సెకండ్ లైన్ ఉండాలి. అరే నీకు ఎన్నిసార్లు ఫోన్
సీసాలు పెగ్గులు పెట్టుకొని స్క్రిప్ట్స్ ఇట్లా రాస్తాను.
Last minute to Agni and Agnish also. Event, all the teachers he has gathered them.
క్లాస్ టీచర్ వచ్చింది కూడా అదే చెప్పాడు నా క్లాస్ టీచర్ ఎందుకంటే బిల్ యాడ్ చేసి మన బిల్ అయిపోయింది. ఆ బిల్లు ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకు? నెంబర్ ఎంత అయిపోయాడు?
कैमरा ना वीडियो ना वीडियो वीडियो कैमरा व्यू ओटमांटे
ఇక్కడ ఈ చెట్లు రావాలి ఫీల్డ్ ఇది కరెక్ట్ అది పైకన్ కెమెరా ఇప్పుడు తొందరగా ఇప్పుడు వీళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ వస్తున్నారు అలాగే కంటిన్యూషన్ అవుతుంది తిరుపతి క్యామ్ ఇది ఇది కరెక్ట్ కెమెరా కొద్ది పైకి లైట్గా ఇది
నేను క్లోజ్అప్ చూసిన క్లోజ్అప్
ఫస్ట్ ఎంట్రన్స్ కాబట్టి యూ షాట్స్ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట అట్లా అందరం వచ్చినట్టుగా కట్ చేయ ఇప్పుడు
Saturday, Sunday and vacation time.
This is Pramod here, and after 30 years, I feel very happy to meet you all again. At the same time, friends abroad, BTech from IIM Calcutta as a metallurgist. I worked for a few industries for past 13 years, and now I've started my own industry in Balanagar. Basically, it's a metallurgical-based industry, and you'll be shocked to hear even my wife is also a metallurgist. She was my classmate. I have a son. He's in his 7th standard from DPS Hyderabad. That's it.
Good evening, friends. And if I am correct, good morning, friends at the abroad. I am R. Srinivas. I have completed my degree in Kakatiya University, as well as I completed my D Pharmacy in Bidar, Karnataka. I am running a pharmacy from past 23 years, as well as I am honored that I am the General Secretary for Warangal District Chemist and Drug Association for past 3 years. Thank you. And I am blessed with 2 daughters. My elder daughter is at present, she has to join at Cognizant Hyderabad, as well as my younger daughter is in Doctor in Pharmacy first year in St. Peter's Colleges, Warangal. Thank you.
John.
A warm good evening to all the friends who are here as well as abroad. First of all, I want to convey my thanks to the persons who have organized such a great event. I'm really very grateful for that. After completing my SSC, I have done my graduation and post-graduation in Kakatiya University. After that, I completed my B.Ed, and presently I am working as a faculty in government school. I'm blessed with one son. He's studying 10th standard in our Gabriel School. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Adil Rizwan.
Good evening, friends. It's a pleasure to speak to you in front of you, and we all have gathered to celebrate our 30 years reunion. In these 30 years, I finished my medicine from Kakatiya Medical College, MBBS. Then I have joined in Medicity Hospital for a few years. Then Yashoda Hospital, worked in intensive care as an emergency doctor. Then I have traveled abroad for Saudi. I joined in ministry as general practitioner. And since 8 years, I have been working in Kuwait as a general practitioner. And I am very lucky that I visited all of you in these few emergency leave, that I have seen all of your faces and meet, and since morning I am very happy also to meet you all. When I was in school, my friend Ramakrishna used to ask me to get the coins of Kuwait, and luckily I have got these coins because we are uniting here. So I just like take this opportunity to present these small coins and the currency which I have got myself to Ramakrishna. And I just want to present him. Thank you. And I have been blessed by 2 daughters and 2 sons, and both of my daughters are champion in Spell B, which they have gone in the Gulf, and now they are studying in DPS Nacharam, and my family has shifted to Nacharam, and my wife, she's a software engineer, presently homemaker. And thank you, friends.
As you all know, I'm V. Srinivas. You all call me Styler. I feel privileged. And I'm very happy that I can't express my happiness in simple words, however, but I'm feeling very happy. After a long period of 30 years, there is a big and happy reunion. And thank you, friends, who are all responsible for meeting all of us here. A big thank you. And I'm doing business in Hyderabad. I'm blessed with 2 children, one in BTech final, one in Inter final year, right? Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm Dr. Bhaskar. I completed my graduation from Kakatiya University and I completed my master degree from Maharashtra. Presently I'm working here in Kakatiya University as an assistant professor as quantacture. Since 17 years I'm working. I'm having 2 children. My son is studying 7th intermediate 2nd year and my daughter is 9th. And I thank all my friends who made this program a grand success. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Hello, good evening friends and good morning abroad friends. I'm Ravinder. I have done my graduation from Kakatiya University, then in law from Usmania, and I have done my LLM in international law.
I am working. Adyaksha.
NJIT 3rd year and second is completed Inter 2nd year. I'm also working as PCC secretary for Andhra Pradesh Telangana Congress Committee. I'm very happy to see all my friends. చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది మనమందరము 30 ఏళ్ల తర్వాత ఇలా కలుసుకోవడము. ఇప్పటి నుంచి ప్రతిసారి కలుసుకోవాలని ఆశిస్తున్నాను.
I have done my CG from Kids Ramtech. I'm into constructions. I worked in the Gulf for some time and I've started my own constructions right now. I'm working in the Jaipur Power Plant civil work. I'm blessed with 2 sons. Elder one is studying intermediate 2nd year and the younger one is first class. Thank you.
అందరికి నమస్కారం. కృష్ణకాంత్ కోటగిరి, స్కూల్లోని కేఎల్ఎన్ కృష్ణకాంత్ అనేవారు. నేను 10th క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇంటర్మీడియట్ కూడా వరంగల్లో చదివా. తర్వాత ఇంజనీరింగ్ రామ్టెక్ వెళ్ళాను. అది అయిపోయినాక దెన్ ఐ వెంట్ టు US, స్టేట్ దేర్ ఫర్ 10 years, కేమ్ బ్యాక్, హ్యావ్ మై ఓన్ సెటప్ ఆఫ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కంపెనీ హియర్. I have 2 children. One is studying, just finished intermediate. Unkokalu son is 8th class అయిపోయింది, 9th class కి వచ్చారు. And it is nice meeting you all. Thank you very much for all the organizers who have put in their great efforts. Thank you very much.
Good evening one and all, my dear friends. Very nice to meet all of you. I am Govindrao. Good evening to the friends at the abroad also. I think good morning for them. As my career, I have completed the MSc Industrial Chemistry from Marathwada University. Later on, I have started my career as a chemist in seminar drugs. But later on, I left it. Then I entered into Waldevi degree and PG section as a chemistry faculty. And I have 2 kids. First one is Shashidhar. He has completed 8th class. Now entered into 9th class. And the smaller one is Shanmukh. He has completed 4th class and I entering into 5th class. He is quite opposite to me. He is a dynamite when compared to me. So I am blessed with 2 kids and my family is simply postgraduate. She is a housewife and whole responsibility is with me. I am carrying my career in a good way by God's bless. Yes. I thank all the members who have convened such kind of meeting. Very nice. So let us hope that we will have in our future such kind of meetings. చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. Thank you one and all.
Hello, good evening, St. Gabriel's 85. This is Shashikant. I've done my graduation from Ismania and after that I entered into construction. Since then I am doing in construction apartments and commercial complexes here in Bangalore. I'm blessed with 2 children, one daughter and one son. A daughter is now she's in inter 2nd year and son is 4th. And my wife is from Padma School. She is a graduate.
Hello. Good evening. Andariki good evening. My name is G. Kumar Swami. I have done as municipal elected corporator 95 to 2000 and as reservations came next 2000 to 2000 my sister has contested as corporator. After that I came into railway field as a contractor. At present I am Telangana Railway Contractors Union President. Thank you for
4-5 projects in Hyderabad and 4-5 projects ongoing here only. I have blessed with 2 kids, one is 10th class and one is 6th class. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm Srijan Swaroop. After doing 10th class, I did BTech in KITS, Warangal, and then I did MBA in Finance from Osmania University. Afterwards, I went to US for 8 years, and for the last 8 years I am here. I came back and working in the pharma industry. I guess I am the only one single here. Is it true?
హలో నా పేరు శ్రీనివాసరావు అండి. నా బిజినెస్ వచ్చేసి వీడియో అండ్ ఫోటోగ్రఫీ అండి. అండ్ నాకు one son and one daughter. My son is doing software engineer in Intergraph, and my daughter is working in Vedanta Industries, Stella Copper, as a field manager. So I am settled in Hyderabad, sir. Thank you.
Ravi. Umar, Nura.
My name is Kishore. I was in 10th B. I completed my intermediate in Little Junior College and graduation in Bhavan Physics College. After that, I have completed my MBA in Pune. Now I am settled in Janma with doing agri-business and cotton ginning mill, and blessed with two daughters. One is doing engineering second year, and the other one is intermediate second year. I am very excited. I am very happy with that. We are all meeting after 30 years. Let's hope that we will meet every year in the same motto. Thanks everybody.
I am C.S. Anand from 10th A section, and I am a cost accountant. I have been working for different industries. I have been with Ramoji Film City for 3 years, with GTN Textiles for some time, and now I am with Mylan Laboratories, a pharma company. I have 2 children. My daughter is now into 8th class, and son is into 5th class. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. KBR graduation Nilbe College. Business housewife. మొదటి నుంచి మాది బిజినెస్ ఫ్యామిలీ కనుక బిజినెస్ కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ ఇంటూ కాటన్ బిజినెస్ అండ్ అపార్ట్మెంట్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్, అండ్ ఐఎమ్ బ్లెస్డ్ విత్ 2 children. మై సన్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ engineering first year Vasavi Engineering College, and my daughter is in 10th class. And I appreciate friends who initiated this program, and further also plan the dates so that abroad friends also join here. And the meeting should be in school, and thank you once more.
Good evening, friends. This is Vinay here. It's a pleasure to be here. Excellent weather and going down the memory lane. I was just wondering what the exact feelings would be when I meet my friends of 30 years back. I mean, except for receding hairlines and paunches, which I'm no exclusion to, there's not much of a difference. It's still the same joyous crowd. It's still the same boyish crowd. Thank goodness we were not in a co-ed school. Yeah, I mean, we wouldn't have been so free if people of the other sex also were here. Yeah, fun to be here. After Gabriel's, I went to IT Madras, did my engineering there, did my MBA from XLR Jamshedpur, and unlike many of my friends in engineering and MBA, I took the option of joining the civil services. I served the Government of India in the Indian Revenue Service for over 13 years. Then I was again one of the few ones who opted to quit at a very early stage in the career. I came out, I came back to Hyderabad. I'm settled now in Hyderabad. I work for a company called Greenco. We're in the renewable energy space. We build wind and solar power plants. My wife is a doctor. She's also consulting here. She's a gynecologist. I hope you have none of those problems. I'm blessed with 2 children. My son is in 10th and my daughter is in class 5. And compliments again to those few of you who took the initiative despite lack of energy, enthusiasm from the rest of us to pull us all together. Hats off to all of you. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Devi Rai Kumar. I have completed my polytechnic. I am blessed with my daughter and son. My daughter got married last year. My missus is working as a lecturer. Okay, thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am Subramaniam from 10th B. After 10th class I did my intermediate from Government Junior College Hanamkonda. And for graduation and post-graduation, I have moved to Hyderabad. I work with BSNL. I have been working with BSNL for the past 25 years. I am blessed with 2 kids. My son has just written his 10th class exams, and my daughter is in 4th grade. My wife is a homemaker, and I am very glad to be here. And special thanks to the few organizers who have been working very hard. And not to forget, I would mention a few names: Avanish, Sharat, Arshad for the entire resort and other facilities, and Ramkrishna for actually taking up the initiative of the reunion. Thank you all, and let's have fun till tomorrow.
Good evening, friends. I am Yan Pramod Kumar. I was in 10th B. After completion of SSC, I have completed my diploma at Ramantapur, Hyderabad. Then I worked for some construction company 1.5 years. Later on, I got the job in railways. I am right now working as senior section engineer in railways. I am blessed with one kid. He is studying in 10th class. My wife, she is housewife. I thank all the friends for coming and giving such a good movement, which we cannot really believe that it could happen after 30 years. I thank all the organizers for giving such a good movement. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. First, I would like to thank how it has started just within 2 minutes. On March 15th, one day Satish has started WhatsApp. He has called me and told, just give me a few friends' numbers. We started doing it, rolling out. And the first 3 months, we got a very less numbers, like 15 to 16. Then slowly the initiation was taken by Ramakrishna for gathering. So that reunion, we were just thinking how to make it out. So after 1 or 2 dates which we have postponed, and whatever it is, we have fixed the dates. And today the day where we are with more than 50, and I really telling all the participants have made this difference. We were not expecting, because only few were calling us and all that. First, I would like to thank all the participants. I am blessed with 2 sons. The elder one is into engineering 3rd year. The younger is in the inter 2nd year. After moving from our school, I have completed my graduation in CKM, and after that my post-graduation MA English and MA Linguistics from OU campus. I started my career into film industry as a producer for 2 movies. Then after that I entered into the corporate world, slowly into advertising. I was there for 7 years in that. After that I was into the insurance for the next 8 years. So recently I have started AM's contracts in Hyderabad. So 3 months back, Satish has literally brought me from Chhattisgarh to here to start. And we are both, with his help and all my friends' help, we are just doing the things. Thanks a lot. Once again, I thank all the participants who has come here.
Good evening, everybody. Good morning for the abroad friends. My name is J.V. Murli Mohan Rao. I am in 10th A section. I have graduated from REC Warangal, B.Tech in Metallurgy. Present working for the Ideal Exposure Limited, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. I am working in metal cladding division. I am in quality control department. I am blessed with one son. He is studying in St. Gabriel School in UKG, and my wife is working in government sector in government model schools.
Good evening, friends. I am K. Srinivas, 10th class, A section. I have completed my graduation. I am running an electrical shop. I am the president of electrical shops and dealers. I have blessed with 2 children, one daughter and one son. Daughter is studying 10th and the son is studying 6th class. My best of is completed double PG with B.Ed. She is a housewife. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. I am Kishore Reddy. I am from 10th A section. I completed my graduation from KDC Warangal.
and I am blessed with one child, and she is studying in inter-second year. I am now in real estate business.
Hello, good evening everybody, and good morning to all the other UK friends and US friends. I am Syed Umar. I hope you remember me all. My father used to come for me in 7th and 8th classes. That is the very common sign to make my remember. Okay. So, in 90, after the demise of my parents, I joined St. Peter's CBSE. And from there I was working as a physics faculty in St. Peter's Central School, teaching physics for 9th and 10th students. And my wife is PG. She is working in St. Thomas High School, teaching social studies and English. I have a kid, completed 10th standard, and trying to join in some intermediate college. Okay. Thank you very much. And I thank all the organizers and my friends who made this occasion a great grand success. Thank you very much.
Hello, good evening everybody. I'm Avnish. I'm from 10th A section. I have been practicing as a lawyer in District Court Warangal from 1998, and I have done my law in Kakatiya University. I have 2 children, 2 sons. And the elder one is in 5th standard and the younger one is in 4th standard. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. I'm in scrap business. I'm Anand, S. Anand. Good evening, friends. I'm doing scrap business. I am blessed with 2 children. One son is completed B.Tech and the daughter is doing BCom final year. Okay, I am very shy to speak out.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఎవ్రీబడి. నా పేరు శ్రీనివాస్ రెడ్డి, 10th B సెక్షన్. ఇంటర్మీడియట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత 89లో నేను రైల్వేస్లో ఆర్పిఎఫ్లో సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యి జాబ్కి వెళ్ళిపోయాను. డిగ్రీ లాంటిది అట్లాంటి ఏం చదవలేదు. ఇక కొంచెం 91 ఏప్రిల్ 11th నా మ్యారేజ్ అయింది. 2 అబ్బాయిలు. పెద్ద అబ్బాయి BVSC 3rd year, రెండో అబ్బాయి కిడ్స్లో మెకానికల్ బీటెక్ 2nd year. ఇక్కడ మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ చూస్తుంటే చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉన్నది. అంటే ఇలా చెప్తున్నట్టు ఏమనుకోవద్దు. ఈరోజు నాది మ్యారేజ్ డే యాక్చువల్గా. మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ చూడాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఎంతో పట్టుదలతో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన. ఇంట్లో కూడా అందరికీ ఇలా గెట్టుగారు చేసిన రామకృష్ణకు, మిగతా అవినాష్, వాళ్ళందరికీ పేరు పేరున ధన్యవాదాలు. చాలా అందరికి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా అందరు చాలా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
హాయ్ ఎవ్రీబడి. నా పేరు జగదీశన్, 10th B సెక్షన్. నేను ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సగం వరంగల్లో చేశాను, సగం గుంటకల్లో చేశాను, తర్వాత డిప్లొమా చేశాను, తర్వాత వేరే డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ బిజినెస్ చేసి తర్వాత మెడికల్ ట్రాన్స్క్రిప్షన్ ఫీల్డ్లోకి వచ్చాను. అట్ ప్రెసెంట్ నేను క్వాలిటీ కంట్రోల్ చేస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్లోనే. ఐఎమ్ బ్లెస్డ్ విత్ 2 children. పెద్దోడు 10th రాశాడు, చిన్నోడు 3rd class. మై వైఫ్ ఇస్ హోమ్ మేకర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Graduated from Osmania. I got married in 95. I'm blessed with 3 kids. The daughter is 20 years. She's doing a degree 2nd year. Son is in the inter 2nd year, and the younger guy is in the 9th. I did my diploma in counter-terrorism in Dubai. I got 17 years of experience. I worked for Burj Khalifa as the director of security. And later, last year in February, I started my own Italian restaurant in Bangalore and a gastropub. That's it about me. Anyway, thank you everyone for organizing this. Thank you so much.
Inviting or not? Yes.
Good evening, everybody. I am Kishan Prasad Rama.
Kishan said.
Kishan said here for Srinidhi Industries. I put in a small industry in Katidan, aluminum industry. I have one daughter. She is completed MS in America and is doing job in Farmers Insurance Company, Los Angeles. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. I completed my degree from Kakatiya University and I am do business with R. Srinivas in surgical business. And my wife is in government service. She is working for Medical and Health Department as assistant paramedical officer. I am blessed with one son. He is in law 4th year. And thank you.
Hello friends, I am V. Ravinder Rao. I am from 10th A section of 85 batch. I did intermediate in Government Junior College and completed degree in Kakatiya Degree College. Basically, I am from agricultural family. Now I am doing my own agriculture in my village. I have blessed with 2 daughters. One is 9th standard, another is 4th standard. I am presently living in Haramkonda. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. I am P. Venkateshwarlu. I am doing business in Warangal, in cable network. Another business is Sanjeevani Surgical with Srinu and Kalyan. I have 2 children. My daughter is inter second year. My son is 10th class. Thank you.
Hello. Good evening, friends and abroad. Good morning. I am doing as a sub-registrar, Chavella now, working as a sub-registrar since 27 years. And I got 3 sons and 1 daughter. My son is studying in 10th, and my daughter is studying in 7th, and my son is studying in 5th, and my son is studying in 1st class. Thank you very much. I am C.S. Satish Kumar from 10th A. Good evening, everybody. I completed my graduation at Kakatiya University. I am present. I am doing some contracts and business in my village, and also I own agricultural lands. I have 2 children, 1 son and 1 daughter. The son has completed 10th just now. Daughter 7th completed. My wife is doing as teacher at Armakonda. She also graduated. Okay, thank you. Thank you everyone.
Hello friends. I hope by now you all know my name. Somebody doesn't know. I am Jagan Mohan Reddy. I am P. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Okay. I have been in the US for almost 18 years, from 96 to 2014. I moved back. Since 1 year I am staying here in Hyderabad. I don't know how long I am going to stay here, but I'll be here for a while, I know. I have 2 kids. My son is 7, my daughter is 5. They're both going to school here. And it's very happy. After 30 years, we are meeting here. I know it's a little bit late, but it's never too late. Thank you once again.
Hello friends, my name is D. Sharad Kumar. D. Sharad Kumar. I got married in 1992. I blessed with 2 kids. An elder one is doing BTech second year. Younger one is also doing BTech second year. My wife is also a government servant, and I am working in excise department. This is my brief.
Hello friends, నా పేరు రామకృష్ణ. I think this is really a memorable event. 30 years తర్వాత అందరినీ కలిసి చాలా బాగుంది. And the more I think about it, ఇవాళ అనిపిస్తుంది, why did it take 30 years? I mean, I think we should have done it long ago. నేను ముందు ఆన్ అండ్ ఆఫ్ అందరితోనూ వీలైనంత వరకు టచ్లో ఉండేవాడిని, కలిసేవాడిని. I think as the life goes, it's like a sine curve, it goes down. So అలా అనిపించేది. So suddenly అనిపించింది, why are we not doing this? And why did it take 30 years? Maybe we should have done it much earlier. Having said that, I think it's now for us to keep connected and build on top of this. Now background, obviously, it's been pretty straight line. ఒకసారి అనిపిస్తుంది, we knew nothing. స్కూల్లో ఉండేవాళ్ళం. I mean, life is kind of, నా ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అంతా 4 kilometer radiusలో అయిపోయింది. And it's like a quintessential Telugu person. అబ్బాయి కాబట్టి ఇంజనీరింగ్ చదవాలి. So what is the institute? You're lucky enough, institute అయిపోయింది. ఫస్ట్ టైం యూ గాట్, నేను జాబ్ కోసం బయటకు వెళ్ళాను. నేను ఆర్ఈసీలోనే ఇంజనీరింగ్ చదివినాక ఐ వెంట్ టు పూణే, టాటా మోటార్స్లో ఐ డిడ్ మై జాబ్ క్యాంపస్ నుంచి. ఇట్ వాజ్ అ క్యాంపస్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ, సో నాట్ మచ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. తర్వాత ఐ థింక్ యాజ్ అ కిడ్ ఎప్పుడు ఐ నీడ్ టు బీ ఆన్ మై ఓన్, ఏదో చేయాలి, నా సొంత బిజినెస్ చేయాలి. సో ఆబ్వియస్లీ లైక్ దేర్ ఆర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ లిమిటేషన్స్. మేనేజ్మెంట్ చదవాలి, సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్టడీ. ఒకసారి ఇంజనీర్ సమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషనల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వచ్చినాక వెళ్ళాలి అని. Then again lucky nenu 93, 95 I am again I am Bangalore chadinaka I wanted to be closer to the business, so I got into private equity, which is general investments and general business, building businesses. It's now 20 years in this. Plus and I work with the Kotak Group. I'm in the private equity division of Kotak Group. So family, we have 2 kids. My papa, she just completed 10th. My daughter is a Bharatanatyam artist. Last year, 2013, we did our Arangetram. My babu, he completed 6th. He's a tabla artist. So I think I'm the only one. Thanks a lot for all of us. I think we need to thank all of us. I think it's our responsibility now to build on it. So thanks again. Now maybe we will request our friends who are not here to introduce themselves. Thank you. What we will do, ఇవాళ నుంచి probably till tomorrow afternoon, మన డేటాబేస్ని పాపులేట్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాం. విల్ ట్రై టు బిల్డ్, ఎవరికైనా తెలిసిన వాళ్ళని వి ట్రై టు బ్రింగ్ దమ్ ఇన్ టు దిస్ గ్రూప్. అది చేయాలి. సెకండ్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే, వీ విల్ ఆల్సో ట్రై అండ్ గో టు ద స్కూల్ అండ్ గెట్ ద హోల్ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ స్కూల్ మేట్స్. దాంతో విల్ స్టార్ట్ ట్రై అండ్ ఐడెంటిఫైయింగ్ ఈచ్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్, ఎక్కడున్నారు అని పట్టుకొని చేయాలి. And anything else, I would request each of you to actually talk about it. Any good ideas to build this?
First, we will give the name of our group.
What are the suggestion to come and give?
Suggest any name so that we can identify ourselves as a unique.
Any thoughts on that?
Like pioneers. Pioneers.
Every week to all of us. Just check the list. If any names are not there in that, and the names, if you know it, please add to that and send it. Because basically what happens now, generally when we sit and talk to others, we come across few friends, but few of them we already know, and their contact number is not in the list. Please add it to that so that the list number will increase. Every week we'll float that list, or every 10 days, 15 days coming.
Start one more WhatsApp group called St. Gabriel's Entertainment, and whoever wants to be in that, you can actually do whatever you want in that. So that there is no, that's kind of uncensored group. And actually, censor. Yeah, if you come to think of it, the things that could bind us is anything which is on the extremities, crime, or one of the best things. Maybe certain things on the social service. If you can actually think about it, if somebody can take some lead onto that, and that can actually bind people.
చిన్న అందరూ కలిసి ఒక ప్లాట్ తీసుకొని 500 స్క్వేర్ యార్డ్స్ 200 స్క్వేర్ యార్డ్స్ చెప్పి ఒక చిన్న క్లబ్ వేసి, గ్యాబ్రియల్ క్లబ్ అని, మనం దాంట్లో ఒక స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్, దాంట్లో అన్ని క్లబ్ రూమ్స్ అన్ని కట్టి, వాట్ ఎవర్ ప్లాట్ తీసుకున్న వాళ్ళందరికీ మెంబర్షిప్ ఇచ్చి, ఓన్లీ గ్యాబ్రియల్ స్టూడెంట్స్కే ఒక 20 acres చెప్పి తీసుకున్న వాళ్ళని ఆలోచిస్తాం. ఎందుకంటే నాకు బిల్డర్స్ వాళ్ళందరూ తెలుసు. ఇక్కడ ఇదేమి మన ఎంఆర్ఓ, ఆర్డిఓ, ఇంకా మన సర్పంచ్ అందరూ మనకు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ 30 kilometers ఫ్రమ్ ద ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ నియరెస్ట్. చీప్లో వస్తుంది మనకు, మొత్తం ల్యాండ్ తీసుకొని మనం చేసుకుంటే చాలా బాగుంటుంది. అందరు ఒక ల్యాండ్ ఉంటుంది, అది దట్ కాస్ట్ ఇస్ 1500 to 2000 లోపల మనకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇంకా కాస్ట్ టు కాస్ట్ వస్తుంది, మనకేం బిజినెస్ లేదు, అది మనకి అది లేదు. అందరు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే నేను గో హెడ్. ఎందుకంటే నాతోటి అందరు పని చేసుకుంటారు, మన ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉన్నారు, వీళ్ళందరూ ఉన్నారంటే నేను ఒక ఆలోచించిన అందరు ఎస్ అంటే మనం ముందర పోతాం. మీ సజెషన్ అన్నీ ఉన్నాయంటే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్నో రేజ్ ద హ్యాండ్ ప్లీజ్. Excuse, because I got the majority, then I can put the hand on that, because I cannot put, because this is a huge amount will be there.
So Arshad, I think we have enough and more people,
Yeah.
so we can start. So our list lo kuda, we will actually take that also as one.
Yeah, one of the member. We will do one thing. We will search the land. Is nearest. I have thinking that from road number Bangalore highway, road number 7 to road number 9, Bombay highway. One connection is there. A 4-lane road is there. In that area, we can take 2 kilometers inside. We can get the land cheap, and we'll have the cheap land, and we have the club and all that. Any suggestion? 500 to 200 square yards.
Yeah. Per acre, how much it will be?
Cost is
10 to 20 lakhs
Per acre.
per acre. Nearest to that, we will have the plots on that 500 square. You cannot take the acre of land. We cannot maintain it. So we will take a 500 square yards or 200 square yards, and then the property will come high.
No, something you work out as a 4 to 5 lakhs per acre on Shankarpalli road.
No, we cannot go far, because airport to 30 kilometers radius is enough. We can get 5 lakhs, 2 lakhs also we can get in Pargi, Vikarabad. We cannot go there, and we have the club's house and all that, we cannot enjoy it. After 10 years, the land will come more, because our life have 3 stages. 1 to 20 is 1 stage, 20 to 40 is a 2 stage, and 40 to 60 is a last stage, 3 stage. And the last stage, and we have left to 25% in that, only 75% is there. We'll see 25% is left. We'll see on that some assets we'll have, and it's good for us. You got any suggestion and all that, then I will go forward. If not, leave it off here only. We will have a get together. Is there? Yeah. Investment is estimate 7.5 lakhs. You will get the 500 square yards plot to 10 lakhs in between, and we get the one club of 1.5 acre. We will do the registration in the name of our association. That is a group of 1985 Gabriel. We will run for that. Anybody can have the membership and all that. If you don't purchase the plot, and we have the membership for that. That membership will can have the rooms, will have the swimming pool, will have the bar, we have the restaurants and all, each and everything will have. Minimum rate will charge for that, because maintenance charges will take it. If you have got any suggestion, you give me. If you are all are interested, means I will go ahead, because I will stay in Chevella 2 to 3 months. I am staying from last 2011. Recently, I will go to the transfers are there in May or June. If you are within 2-3 months, I can do it. And the land and it, you can see the government land, everything I know that. This area comes to me only. I got 77 villages. I see any nearest place. 30 kilometers radius means you have the half-an-hour journey from airport.
Very good.
And a cheap one, not on the so costly. You will have, in this area, you will charge you 4,500 per square yard. In this area, I am saying. Here it will do 20 kilometers from here, 20 to 25 kilometers. The airport is nearest for us, that is 30 kilometers, 28 to 30 kilometers.
That seem to be keen. So just let's start.
No.
I got the member because
We'll write down.
see, we have the 40 members or 50 members are here. 35 and more, I can go for it, because with 20 acres of lands and huge amount will be there. I cannot go for the 5-10 members.
We will take those.
Because
take those names.
guarantee I will give it. That is the main thing. I am not doing the business. I am not doing anything.
So tomorrow morning we will sit and discuss.
Yeah?
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning, no, tomorrow we have again meeting on this thing.
Srinivas registered one association saying as a Gabriel 1985. Temporary will see the president, vice president, general secretary and all that. We will choose each and everything nominally and we'll decide that tomorrow afternoon. And give me the suggestion. If you are all are interested, then I will go forward.
Okay.
Yeah, any good.
I think, what I see is everybody's interested, or at least majority are interested.
सारे लोग वरंगल से आ रहा पूरा वरंगल डिस्ट्रिक्ट से बहुत लोग हैं
Yeah.
You better look at the Warangal side.
No, Warangal side.
So you can see Sushil over there. Straight.
ఎవరైనా సుశీల్ని గుర్తుపడతారు
లైట్ దూరం సారీ ఫర్ బీయింగ్ లేట్ once this program is over I think we'll have personal introduction.
Last person
Okay.
After 10th, what you have done?
After 10th,
What is your name?
What is your name?
my name is Surendar and along with Kishore we both went to Little Flower Junior College. Styler, I think he should be too stylish to be identified. Oh, I think you have to remove your this thing to be stylish. So along with Kishore, we went to Bhavan's. I went to Bhavan's College. After that, I went to the Usman University. I did my MSc. Then in the secondary itself, I entered into Group 1 services in the state government. And right now, I'm a state government officer with the Department of Cooperation. I happen to be the Commissioner for Cooperation for Telangana State. Yes, thank you. Roaming the state, entire state, I work from Srikakulam to Anantapur to Nizamabad. I've got two kids, two daughters. One is in 10th and one is in 5th. I'm put up at Bovenpalli. So after almost 20 long years, I have returned to Hyderabad. So I was educated in Hyderabad entirely. After that stint at Gabriel's, I was away from Hyderabad for 20 long years and I returned only in 2011. After I came here, I was with the Honorable CM for AP Kiran Kumar Reddy. And then after his resignation, I have shifted to Department of Cooperation. I think that would be sufficient.
Remaining after the drink. Remaining after the drink.
Yeah, then we'll open up a lot. Thank you very much.
This idea to people, we are given the responsibility like just to check few acres, 10 to 15 or whatever it is, because as is available for another 3 to 4 months in this area. So we thought that this is the right time. So let us have our own small resort sort of thing who can afford, they can go forward and all that. So basing on this, we have requested him, myself, Sharon. One day we sat with him, started asking him what is the best thing you can pull it out from the surroundings areas. So out of that, this idea has come. So let us go forward who is interested in this and let us make it like whatever the budget, according to that we can make it and move forward for that. Thank you.
Hello, anybody is there? Have any suggestion?